Hey friends, welcome to my today's video. This is a problem solving session in Python using HackerRank question. I think everybody will be knowing HackerRank. This is one of the assessment website. We can create the login and we can access the questions. I have already created the login in the developer role and just access to one of the problem in Python. That is swap case problem. This is difficulty level. It is very easy. First, I will explain the question. I will go through the example, sample inputs, and what is the sample output and all. And we will be explaining two solution methods. One will be using normal Python built-in function. Other will be my own logic. How we will be solving that. The question is, if you are given a string and your task is to swap the cases, and in other words, convert all lowercase letters to uppercase letters and vice versa. That is the question. Maybe this example it will be giving more idea. www.hackerrank.com. It will be as an output we should be getting like this. This capital W, uppercase W will be converted into lowercase, and lowercase w is converting into uppercase. It will be same like capital H will be small case h, and all will be swapping. Uppercase should be swapped to lowercase and lowercase will be swapping to uppercase. This example also is the same. Uppercase P is smaller case p and lowercase p will be uppercase. Function description. Complete the swap case function in the editor below. There one template of swap case function is given. Here you can see it. We have to write the code, our logic inside, and we have to return the result. Swap case has the following parameters. A string as this is a string to modify. You can see the string as this is the input string, and we have to return the result in the string format. It will be a single line string only. It will be containing a single line string, and the length of the string, the constraint is 0 less than the string length less than or equal to 1000. The string length should be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1000. This is the sample input, and this is the sample output for that. Just we'll start it. First I will explain my own logic. Later on we'll be using the Python built-in function to solve that. This is the keyboard input. I will took a Python 3 compiler interpreter, sorry, and it is getting the input in S, and we will be calling the swap case function, and we will be passing the input string as an argument to the swap case, and we will be returning the value in the result. Okay, what I am going to declare is one of the result variable as a empty string. I am declaring it. After that, what I am going to do is you will get in the string, and it will be by using the for loop, it will be separated its characters. For that, using a for loop, for char is the variable in S, char in S will be getting each character one by one. Okay, and here I will be using two functions, upper and lower. I think you will be knowing upper and lower. What will be they doing? If my letter is up lowercase a, if I am applying upper to that, the output will be uppercase a. The same way, vice versa. If uppercase a, I am doing a lower function to that, it will be converted into uppercase, sorry, lowercase. The same way I will do that. we'll be using if statement. If char equal to char dot upper means if it is a uppercase letter, if uppercase letter I am going to convert to upper, it will be the same, case will be the same, right? This this if statement will be satisfied if the letter is uppercase. That case I will be appending the result with char dot lower. It will be the uppercase, right? Lower. Else indentation should be maintained. Else result should be appended with char dot lower, sorry, upper. Already done the lower, right? I think you got the logic. It will be matching if the char is uppercase, right? Then we have to convert to lowercase. If it is the case of lowercase, it will be coming in. If the letter is the lowercase, it will be coming in the else statement, and we are converting that to upper, and we will be appending with the result. So suppose in the case like a dot or space, it won't be satisfying this statement, and it will come to else. If the dot is converting into upper, there won't be a change. It will be the same string. Be getting like that. Here we got the result in the result variable, and we will be going to return the result here. Okay, and it will be returned to the result, and it will be getting printed. We will just run the code and see what is the output. It is processing it, running, it's trying to run. It is passed. The test case is passed. One test case is given. This is the input. This is our output, and the actual expected output is this. This is passed. Then we will be submitting this result. Just submit it. Submit the code. There are 6 test cases. All are executing one by one. Our code is getting passed for all the test cases, and we got the congratulations result also. We got solved using our approach. Now I am going to explain using Python built-in function. It is very simple. What I am doing means I will remove this code. I will just return the value. It's a one-line code only. S dot swap case, a second function I will be using, and it will be returned. And just I will run it. It is passed. This is very simple. Only one function swap case we used, and it's just returned. It is got the result and got printed. You can execute the submit code also. We'll see what is the result. Now it is getting executed one by one, all test cases. It is got passed. I think everybody understood the two methods. One is the simple built-in function, and that's why here you can see the what is the power of Python. A single line could have solved our whole logic, which is explained in previous method, right? Thanks for watching my video.